is the name of this coin? This is a quarter. What is the worth of a quarter? A quarter is worth 25 cents. What is the shape of the coin? The coin is round in shape. In how many ways can we write it? We can write it as 25 cents or 25 cents. What is the color of a quarter? The color of a quarter is silver. What is on the front of a quarter? President George Washington is on the front of the quarter. What is on the back of the quarter? The presidential coat of arms is on the back of the quarter. It is an eagle with its wings spread out. How many nickels make a quarter? 5 nickels make 1 quarter, 25 cents. Where is the value of the coin printed? It is printed on the back of the quarter. Is the edge of a quarter smooth or rich? The edge of a quarter is ridged. Friends, do you know what is the weight and size of a quarter? Let me tell you. The weight of a quarter is 5.670 grams and its size is 24.26 millimeters.